Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and verify your Craigslist phone number. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Craigslist website right here, craigslist.org, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you are greeted by. From here, we can get started with accessing our account in the upper right corner. By clicking the account option, this is going to enable you to go and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, you can just log in normally, and this is going to be the menu you're greeted by. So from here, we can go ahead and access our settings menu. From the settings menu, you're going to see there is no option to edit our phone number. That's because you're going to go ahead and be leaving your phone number on the ad once you go ahead and get started posting an ad using the post an ad option right here. It's going to enable you to go ahead and post an ad for whatever ad you're doing. As you can see right here, you have the option to leave your phone number and you can go ahead and choose to show it. So basically, some posts are going to require phone verification. As you can see right here in the official article of Craigslist.org, there is a verifying by phone option on how to get started verifying by phone. So basically, you're going to choose between voice or text to receive a one-time verification code, and then once you go ahead and receive the code, you're going to enter the code provided to finish your posting. So go ahead and check your phone. If you enter the correct mobile number, it's going to arrive within 5 minutes. You're going to enter that code to verify your post, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.